Hi, my name is Rita McInerney and I am the Fianna Fáil candidate in Clare for this general election. A native of Doonbeg, I am a proud West-Clare woman. I have always wanted to be a public representative and be that strong voice for you in Dáil Éireann. My family has a deep sense of belonging to County Clare. My brother Francis was captain of the victorious '92 Clare football team, and my father Mert was a teacher in the Christian Brothers School in Kilrush and has always been a very active community person. I grew up with a deep understanding of the importance of community and belonging. As an elected official, I will bring that sense of community to Dáil Éireann. I also have huge affinity for the town of Ennis, having served as CEO of Ennis Chamber for 13 years. Once elected, I will fight for rural Ireland to ensure that we are not forgotten about in the West in any national development plan. We feel our way of life is constantly under threat with closure of our post offices, our schools and the loss of jobs here at Moneypoint, as well as the ongoing effects on the beef crisis on our farmers. We experience all of the difficult issues here in Clare: unemployment, housing, rising crime, climate concerns, poor infrastructure and a failed health system. These are the reasons why I am so motivated and determined to make a difference. The people of rural Ireland need and deserve a strong representative in Dáil Éireann, and I believe that I am best suited for that position for you in Clare. As a small business owner and community activist, I know what it's like to live and work in rural Ireland. Life can be difficult here, so we need an obvious change in government to put Clare firmly on the political map. I believe that there are opportunities in our beautiful part of the world. The power to change that is in the hands of each and every one of you. If you want things to improve, you need to vote for me. A vote for Rita McInerney is a vote for all of us in Clare. Nobody gets left out and nobody is forgotten about. Remember, rural Ireland matters, and together we can make Clare better. Thank you.